Hello students, welcome to our student support program for Mathematics Grade 9. Our topic for today is patterns and sequences. This is the third part on patterns and sequences. In today's session, you will learn how to find the relation between ordered pairs of a sequence. So what is ordered pair? An ordered pair is always written in the form x, y. Consider the following sequence: 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 9, 16, 12. What do you observe? If we consider the first term in each ordered pair, we have 1, 4, 9, 16. You will remember that these are square numbers. So the next two terms will be 25 and 36. Now consider the second term in each ordered pair. We have 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. These are multiples of 3. So the next two terms will be 15 and 18. So I can write the next two terms 25, 15 and 36, 18. For a sequence of ordered pairs, we always consider it as two separate sequences of numbers. Usually the first set of numbers, we will call them the x values, and for the second set of numbers, we call them the y values. So here, 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on will be the x values. 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. will be the y values. First example. Find the next two terms in the following sequences of ordered pairs. The first part, 0, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6. So the first term in each ordered pair, 0, 1, 2. The next two terms will be 3 and 4. The second term now of the sequence of ordered pairs, 2, 4, 6. These are multiples of 2, or we can say that we are adding 2 to get the next term. So the next two terms will be 8 and 10. So I complete the next two terms, 3 and 8, 4 and 10. Part B, in the same way now, the first term in each pair will be -1, -2, -3. So the next two terms will be -4 and -5. Now, if we consider the second term, we have 3, 7, 11. We can see that we are adding 4 to get the next term. So the next two terms will be 15 and 19. So finally, I'm going to have -4, 15, -5, 19. Part C, -2, 3.3, -5, 3.5, -8, 3.7. The first term in each pair, -2, -5, -8. So you can see that we need to subtract 3 to get the next term. So the next two terms will be -11 and -14. Now, if we consider the second term of a sequence of ordered pairs, we will have 3.3, 3.5, 3.7. We need to add 0.2 to get the next term. So 3.7 plus 0.2 will give me 3.9. 3.9 plus 0.2 will give me 4.1. And here are the next two terms. Now part D, we have fractions here. 1 over 10 minus 5, 1 over 5 minus 10, 3 over 10 minus 15. The first term in each pair will be 1 over 10, 1 over 5, 3 over 10. Now remember, 1 over 5 can also be written as 2 over 10. So we need to add 1 over 10 to get the next term. 3 over 10 plus 1 over 10, which is 4 over 10. Simplifying, I get 2/5. Now 4 over 10 plus 1 over 10 will give me 5 over 10. Reducing to lowest term, I will get half. And then the second term will be minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. So here we are subtracting 5 to get the next term. So the next two terms will be minus 20 and minus 25. So I can complete the sequence here. 2/5 minus 20, half minus 25. Now we are going to look at how to find the relation between ordered pairs of a sequence. We can compare an ordered pair of sequences to coordinates. Remember earlier I said the first values will be the x values, the second set of values will be the y values. So we can compare these two coordinates. We are going to find the relation which exists between x and y. So let us look at example 2. In each of the sequence of ordered pairs below, find y in terms of x. The solution for part A, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So I'm going to rewrite the x values and y values in the form of a table. So the x values are 1, 2, 3. The y values are 1, 2, 3. What can you observe between the x and y values? We can see that they are equal. The x and y values are same. So we say that y equal to x. Part B, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2. Again, we are going to write the x values and y values in the form of a table. So x will be 1, 2, 3, y 0, 1, 2. Now let us find the relationship which exists between the x and y values. So you can see that we need to subtract 1 to get the y value. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So to get the y value, I'm subtracting 1 from the x value. So y will be x minus 1. Part C now. 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15. Once again, we put the values in the form of a table. 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15. So what are we doing to get the y value from the x value? Yes, we are multiplying by 5. 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 5, 15. So y will be x times 5, or we can say that y equal to 5x. Part D now. 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4. We use the table once again. So we have the values in the table. What can you observe about the x and y values? You can see that we are multiplying by negative 1. 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. 3 times minus 1, which is minus 3. And 4 times minus 1, which is minus 4. So y will be equal to x times minus 1, or simply y equal to minus x. Part E, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3. Once again, we have the table of values here. Now, what is the relation between x and y? So here, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 5 minus 2. And 6 minus 3, you can observe that they all give us 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So how am I going to write y in terms of x here? You can see that the x value minus the y value is giving me 3. So x minus y equal to 3. In the question, I have been asked to find y in terms of x. That is, I need to make y subject of formula. So here, minus y equal to 3 minus x. Y will be equal to x minus 3. So, the final answer will be y equal to x minus 3. You have some exercises now to practice on sequences of ordered pairs. So, the first question, find the next 3 terms in each of the following sequences. Number 2, find the missing terms in each of the following sequences. Number 3, find y in terms of x for each of the following ordered pairs of sequences. You also have some interesting links which you can visit to get additional practice on the different types of sequences which we have covered in the 3 parts of the chapter Patterns and Sequences. So, a summary of what we have done in today's lesson. We have learned about sequence of ordered pairs. Remember, for a sequence of ordered pairs, we always consider it as 2 separate sequences of numbers. The first set, we consider them as x values. The second set of numbers, we consider them as y values. We have also learned how to find the relation between ordered pairs of a sequence. We compare an ordered pair of sequences to coordinates. For example, here, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. So these will be the x, y values. And here, the relation between x and y, we can see that we need to multiply by 3. So I can say that y is equal to 3x. Some additional links for you to practice. So students, we have come to the end of our lesson on patterns and sequences. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for your attention.